Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Biodiversity and Conservation by Ambika Prasad Research Foundation. So today we are continuing our session on floral diversity and we are in the part 7 discussing about some herbs of Odisha and their medicinal uses. So in this session we will be discussing about the family Linderniaceae. So the family Linderniaceae is a flowering plant family that is the angiospermic family in the order Lemmiales, and the family consists of about 25 genera and about 265 species occurring throughout the world, and everywhere we can find the Linderniaceae members. They are the morphological characters we will be discussing in next slides. So this is a important family in the angiospermic part. So let's discuss about Linderniaceae. If we discuss about the habitat of Linderniaceae, so they are mainly herbs, small herbs, and in some cases they are prostrate, and in very rare cases they are shrubs, and mostly they are herb, and usually found in marshy areas and in watery area near water bodies, near streams. The species in the Linderniaceae are annual herbs with opposite leaves that have untoothed or very finely toothed margins. The flowers are small and they are like white, pink, violet in colors. The flowers are solitary and grow on a stalk from the junction of the leaf and stem. The flowers, mainly solitary, and the petals collectively are zygomorphic, that means they are bilaterally symmetrical, although the five sepals are arranged in an actinomorphic fashion, that is, they are radially symmetrical. The sepals are mainly unfused. The petals form a five-lobed tube with two of the lobes fused into a notched lip above, and the other three petals forming a larger lobed lip below. You can see in the picture the arrangement of petals in the family Linderniaceae. Many research processes are going on between the family Linderniaceae and Scrophulariaceae. The morphological characters of flowers, plants are very similar in Linderniaceae and Scrophulariaceae, so little bit confusion in identifying between these two families. And from the last year, Linderniaceae is differentiated from the Scrophulariaceae. Before that, Linderniaceae family was under Scrophulariaceae, or they are in the merged form, but Linderniaceae is now completely differentiated from Scrophulariaceae. And the Linderniaceae family includes some genus like Bonaya, Craterostigma, Lindernia, Linderninilla, Micranthemum, Torinia, Vandellia, etc. The revision is going on in the Linderniaceae family. Many names are changing, and maybe some names will be changed in future, because the Linderniaceae is now some confusing family with Scrophulariaceae and other families also. So now let's discuss some common medicinal Linderniaceae that are found in Odisha. Lindernia anagalis. Lindernia anagalis is an annual plant with a fibrous rootstock. The stems are sometimes creeping and they are often branched, form a roots at the nodes. This species is widely distributed and commonly found along streams, in rice fields, and in wet places. Medicinally, the decoction of whole plant is used in treating asthma, and the whole plant is also used as a remedy for gonorrhea. Next is Bonaya antipoda. Previously, it was named as Lindernia antipoda, and through the revision, this is named as now Bonaya antipoda. So, Bonaya antipoda, it is also an annual plant. It is a creeping herb. The stems are much branched. The root at the lower nodes prostrate at first, then become ascending. This species is also widely distributed and mainly occurs in wetland, also in some non-wetland areas, in rice fields and in grasslands, etc. The root of Bonaya antipoda is used in traditional medicines, that is, the roots are used to treat diarrhea, and the decoction of the root and leaves both are used as an antihelminthic. Next is Bonaya oppositifolia, as the names indicating that they have opposite leaves. The leaves are mainly pinnately veined, stalkless, narrowly elliptic to narrow oblong. It is also an erect, short annual plant with a diffusely branched stem. They are mainly found in wet lowlands, scrub jungle, in rice fields, in grasslands, etc. Medicinally, the leaf of this plant is used to treat dysentery. Aerial parts of the plant is very useful, that is, they are used in relieving boils, sores, and itches. Next is Lindernia dubia. It is also an annual erect plant herb, and the leaves are opposite, simple. The flowers are white in color with tinge of purple, pink, or blue near the throat. Fruits are capsule and they are found in open soil, in lowland, wet lowland, in moist areas near ponds, lakes, and streams. Medicinally, the leaves of Lindernia dubia is traditionally used in the treatment of gastric ulcer and stomachache. Next is Torinia crustacea or Lindernia crustacea. This is the most common plant from the family Linderniaceae that is widely distributed throughout the world in every places, in roadside, in grasslands, in wetlands, in marshy areas. You can find this plant. In wasteland also you can find the Lindernia crustacea or Torinia crustacea. They are erect, annual, and short-lived plant. The stem is much branched and the branches are widely spreading. The plant is also medicinally important species, like the decoction of the leaf is given as a medicine after childbirth for the better health of the mother, and the powder herb mixed with rice water is drunk to relieve diarrhea, vomiting, and cholera or other stomach related diseases. Next is Bona ciliata. It is also a common plant species from the family Linderniaceae, found in sunny or light shaded areas, grasslands, in wastelands, in roadsides, in rice fields, moist places, in marshy places, etc. This is also an erect annual plant. The stem is much branched and uh, you can see in the picture the flowers are white in color with a tinge of pink color near the throat. The leaves are ciliate, so uh, the name is Bonaya ciliata, indicating the characters of the leaf. Now, Yamajakia pusilla or Lindernia pusilla. It is a sub-erect annual plant with a branched stem. The flowers you can see in the picture is about white or light violet in color, and sometimes the color is bright like the flowers are in violet in color, and they have a yellow tinge near their throat. This species is mainly found in wet places, in rice fields, and in open areas in forest. Medicinally, Lindernia pusilla or Yamazaki pusilla is given to women after childbirth to promote milk production, and the entire plant is boiled with water, and this medicinal liquid is used to clean the wounds for the treatment of wounds, cuts, and wounds. Next is Lindonia rotundifolia. It is also an annual erect herb. They are mainly found in marshy areas near water bodies like streams, lakes. They are usually found in these areas. The flower is very beautiful, and they are white in color with small patches of blue color, and they are medicinally used in treating indigestion, mainly the leaves and root of Lindernia rotundifolia. The paste of the leaf is applied on the boils once in 7 days to treat boils. So we have discussed some common species of Lindernia that are found in Odisha, their habitat, how to identify the Lindernia member and their medicinal uses, and the confusion between the Linderniaceae and Scrofulariaceae. As the research is going on, we will again take a session on how to differentiate Linderniaceae and Scrofulariaceae. This is one book published by Ambika Prasad Research Foundation from on the family Linderniaceae or the genus Lindernia. Is the name changed to Bonaya, Vandalia, or Torinia, etc. So we are also working on that. Thank you very much for this session.